Sir, pahingin pera, sir. Nagugutom na ako, sir. Ay, thank you, sir. Kahit panot ka, ang bait mo. Thank you, panot.
Keep going, pal.
Hey, you!
Sir.
Stop that immediately!
Bakit bawal?
I don't want to see your face around here.
Bawal maghingi, sir! Ikaw nga, bawal panot dito. Di naman kita binabawalan. Ayusin mo, sir, ha? Panot ka. Ano yan, sir? Yung pagkapanot, labag yan sa batas, sir. Bawal panot dito, ha? Sir, pahingin pera, sir, please.
You need this more than I do.
Ay, thank you, sir. Kailangan na kailangan ko talaga to, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, pahingin pera, sir.
It's not much, but it's all I've got.
Thank you po. Thank you. Mabuhay kayo na matagal, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, pahingin pera, sir. Pahingin pera!
Not today, sorry.
There we go.
Thank you, miss. Thank you. Patubo ang buhok, miss, ha. Napapanot ka na, eh. Sir, pahingin pera, sir.
Sorry, I'm in a hurry.
Ay, binigyan mo na pala ako kayo na, sir. Sige, mabait ka naman, eh. Alis ka na. Sir! Sir, pahingin pera, sir.
It's all I have. Sorry.
Thank you. Okay na yan, sir. Pwede na yan. Para mamaya, tayo. Yossi tayo mamaya, ha. Baka ito, bigyan ako.